Hey everybody, it's wartime against stupid fate. Stupefacenti, no, I don't know. Against us. It looks pretty good for us right now. I am sick, so, and we've got a lot of people hanging out at the house. So, all I'm getting to say is, yeah, my videos may be delayed a little bit. This is some new teams I'm trying out against some purple tanks. Purple tanks are the ones I've struggled against the most. You guys go play together, okay? Alright, what match are we doing here? Maybe that purple? The thing with clenching tanks is you have time. It wasn't the purple match I was thinking of. You have a lot of time. You can chunk tiles into them. Alright. This won't give him defense down, but it'll hit him pretty hard. Yeah. I thought the board looked kind of bad. um, so we have a full house right now because we're under quarantine. If you pick up what I'm dropping, and the kids hate each other. I love it. Alright, I don't know where we are. We're doing stuff, right? Stuff's happening. Maybe the purples. Yeah. Part of the reason I think I picked this team is Sif and all the AoE attackers there. So you've got Frigg and Mitsuko and Neath. And kind of a slower team, I guess. You know, Mitsuko and Neath, their average Kunshin was slow. I don't remember the right flank. I guess I could go back and look at it, but I'm not going to. Yeah, I did take a friendly against Mitsuko, but I'm also not the AI, so I can decide when to fire and when not to. So, and sometimes the attack goes through. All right, one shot. Feeling good. Feeling good. Nani. I think I probably took too long to pick my next opponent. I was also yeah, I got Krampus up, so. But yeah, I was also talking on FaceTime with my doctor, and yeah, I was playing a game, and I think my kids were running around because they're going to be home for a couple days, and there's no bedtime, so we just took off all the leashes and let them go crazy. Am I going after another? I'm going to move the troops around on this one. need that secondary blue troop to be 17, and Magni will really get the difference. If I were you, I'd recommend 2 healers, or a good healer and a taunt, or like a minion maker. Okay, Ursina for Odin. I was called him Poseidon. Blue match on the bottom, maybe? Negative. Getting greedy. Probably the purple match in the top center. Yeah, the suggested one. And pop the Dragon Bomb? No, pop the diamond. Diamond would give you a blue match. Ah, see what you're doing. Let's see what else I do. Okay, that takes care of him. Well, not quite what I think you should have done, but yeah, Scotty could be pretty crazy to go against in Minion Wars. So I think I'm just hoping... Oh, I know why. Whew. Protected. Okay. So yesterday in some testing, or some raids, I was trying out this team, and I took Bai Young there against Scotty, blinded her, or lowered her accuracy, and she only put a stack on one of my heroes. And I didn't know that was something that was possible. I thought it was pretty cool. So pro tip of the day. Blind Scotty. Sounds like something you'd say when you're watching Star Wars. Oh yeah. I'm remembering this one. Star Trek, not Star Wars. Gosh. Blind me up, Scotty. Hang out to the end, though. Because every little point of damage helps. I think I did make a bad move. What was it? My head's not all here right now. I should have won that game. I should have won that one. Anyway, I'll come back to that cleanup. Back out. You'll clean it up. That's good typing noises I did.
And when the baby gets cold, then your baby
Alright. So what's the next team? I don't know. Sorry I'm taking so long to pick, because I know that I'm looking. I don't remember what I'm looking for. I don't have always the opportunity to record my voice while I'm doing this, because there's just craziness going on. So, the leader, Micah. Oh, Micah means the pigs. He's the pig herder, as far as I'm concerned. Alright. Doing a variation. Normally I would have Garnet in Telluria's spot. But I didn't this time. Now, because I didn't do that, I should have taken that purple match in the center, that top purple tile to the right, a combo to blue and to green. But my brain is thinking I have a red instead of a green hero. So I'm trying to figure this out. And I'm not, yep, just wrong move. It's the wrong move. I think my brain was in and out of, oh, you've got a green hero. Yep, now I have a green diamond. And the ability to, I should have taken that green diamond right now. But I'm going to sit on it this whole match. Because I think that I don't have a green hero. And if you notice, the board's starting to look like a Christmas cover, or a Christmas card. Lots of red and green. See, I could have taken the risk and dumped that diamond into her, and now I've waited too long. See, my problem was and you can't have this problem. My problem was I was paying attention to the other team. With the pigs, you just go. See, I don't even get what I'm doing. Because even now, now I think I would have charged Alfreak. But really, it doesn't matter. Just do it. You know? Nope. Took a screenshot because I was going to go complain to somebody. But this was a lot of my fault. It was all my fault. I made all the decisions. I chose the team. Oh, Amber Alert. For those who don't know what that is, it is something that takes over your phone if there's a missing child. Well, I get Amber Alerts for 2 states away. So they're not always relevant to me. So at this point, I've got 2 cleans left. Not feeling great. So I'm going to either pick up this clean right now or go pick up my other one. I'm not really sure which one I'm going to do. But I need to do one because I can't leave my messes. Okay, Poseidon is great against Alfreak because his little resist negative mana effects. Right, when you swap those troops around. Or just get Leona's to a mana troop 11. So this is case in point why I take the mana nodes. Because now all of them will fire on seven tiles. Now, will I get a 4 match and a Dragon Bomb? Or 7 tiles off the bat? I don't know. But they should all charge at the same time. And that is big. So also Francine is good against... okay, there's 4. Francine's good against Alfreak because of that cleanse. There's my 7 tiles. Now they're all charged up. So I can't claim all the credit for knowing that. Our friend Bruno helped me with that. There's a good group of people in this alliance. We've been playing together for quite some time. I think I'm well past the 400-day point. We have ups and downs, sure. But gosh, we have fun, we laugh. So, good group of people. You'd have to kick me out to make me leave. So, nothing magical happened right here. Straightforward. Just some good heroes.
One, bang.
And Poseidon to the face.
One, 3.
Nope, 3, that's the number. Huh.
What's 1 plus 3?
4.
Yes. What's 3 plus 1?
Ooh, 4.
What's 3 plus 5? What's 3 plus 5?
8.
Okay.
So right here looks like I'm just putting together
3 plus
a cleanup team, trying to follow my own advice of, hey, use a varied team. Yeah, I went down to 3 colors. I should have stuck to 4, huh? Let's see.
What's going on? Something's going on.
I don't know, buddy.
Mother, we must put something.
You go ahead and do it, buddy. So, let's clear one side so I can start blasting. Now, if only every hit was that easy, then this game wouldn't be fun. Okay. Last hit. I've got a slew of heroes left. That's the team that I've kind of prepared. But I'll tell you this, in standard Doshi fashion, I'm going to probably cut from what I want to do and what I've designed. And I'm just going to do something. So now I just need to find something to do it against. And there I go. Para. Kage. Okay. Not the smartest team. My 2 healers are right next to each other. Check the team. Check the other team first. Okay, good. 2, 3 hitters. And I guess I didn't care. So here we go. And what a board. How am I going to screw it up? Excuse me. Okay. Sure. We have a fenced-in backyard, so he's not going to get the neighborhood infected, and it's also school time right now. So, all right, just move along. Garnet is saving me from their Barrow's junk. That was awesome. So awesome here is I'll take that purple match into Finley because he's going to fire anyway. I won't get defense down. And I've got 2 of my heroes charged. Alright, looks like I fired Regard for no reason. Pop the diamond just because I'm feeling awfully confident here. Yep. A purple match, that should get Kage charged. Let's take out the right side. Yep, let's take out the right side. Now I've got wide open land. with Garnet up. I mean, that resist ailments is ridiculous. Just lasts forever. Or, turns, a defined number of turns based on the charge that you fired her off. Not forever. But I think I should fire Garnet and pop one of those diamonds, preferably the green. You idiot. Oh, did I see something? No, I didn't. I'll throw this away, Will. And lucky. Lucky. Excuse me. And I think I'm going to be spiteful and let Bera and her minions do the job. Yes, very spiteful, actually. This is so stupid. Or is it? Can't be bothered to hit you. Well, okay, War. Honeybee kicking it at 309. Dade, Horcrux, Tien, or TNN. And a bunch of guys and gals above 200. Shizut. Tiro. Manfred. Wes's. Oh, awesome. We did end up winning this war, I think, by around 700 points. I would ask that you guys check out Yukimar Sanada, excuse me, his video on the war, and Budman69 also had this war. So, yeah,